Hey man, y'all boys came here to make y'all BandLab song sound like the studio, but I'm finna show y'all how to make your BandLab song sound better than the studio, but like you ain't talking to no average dude, but I'm telling you, but when it comes to BandLab mixing, bro, like, I'm the best in this space, bro. Like you go search up BandLab mixing on TikTok and Instagram, even Google, I'ma come up, gang. So like you ain't talking, bro, like bro. So get your popcorn, bro. We finna get this right, bro. So like you finna break down this whole thing. Right, so boom, like here is the raw vocals, right here.
I'm in danger.
Hold on. Put my damn headphones on, man.
I'm in danger.
So as y'all can see here.
I'm in danger.
So as y'all can see here, first of all, right? Screen recording. Don't never screen record the beat. That's number one. Don't never screen record the beat. But like you gon' Bro, don't screen record the beat. Type in YouTube audio downloader, click one of them links, copy, because I know y'all getting it off YouTube. Copy the link from the YouTube, paste it on the downloader, and then paste it on your BandLab. Don't never screen record the beat. But since I'm so nice, I still managed to get this junk sound crazy. Now look, first tape.
I'm in danger.
As y'all can see,
I'm in danger.
Vocals all over the place. Know what I'm saying? Like these are great recordings though. Know what I'm saying? Like the vocals ain't clipping. Rule number one, make sure the vocals don't clip. Clipping is like this. But like when the top of the red go like this, it's too loud, then it's gonna cause distortion, so your studio sound out the window. So this is great recording all around by this dude right here. Now as y'all can see, we just heard, but the vocals sound bunched up. So like we just gonna play like this. Here we go.
I'm in danger. Ooh, I'm in danger.
Y'all could tell that song got potential. Now he damn near pushing, but he damn near pushing distortion. Like I'm not gonna lie, like I would have tried to keep it about right here. You know what I'm saying? But he is low key pushing it.
I'm in danger.
So to start off, but like I know we gotta so like I know for the lead vocals, but like we gotta compress the vocal first to try to flatten out the dynamics and probably try to raise it up a little bit after that plugin with a transient shaper, but that's BandLab Premium. We don't got BandLab Premium, but I got BandLab presets to do that. I got BandLab presets to do it exactly what I'm talking about right here.
I'm in danger. Ooh, I'm in danger.
So like let's go to like a verse. Let's see.
I'm in danger.
We don't got no verses. Let me see.
Danger. I'm in danger. I'm in.
Oh, alright, like here the verse right here, I think.
I need you to come close.
Alright, here we go.
I need you to come closer, cause my heart done started aching. Them people from your past that brought you pain, you can't erase them.
A lot of people, a lot of engineers will say cut the lows. I'm not gonna lie, the lows sound good. Now, depending on the beat, it all depends on the beat. It all depends on the beat. Don't listen to people talking about some always cut the lows. Alright, I ain't gonna lie, like you should cut the lows on a little bit. I tend to cut the lows on every vocal, but on this specific vocal.
I need you to come closer, cause my heart done started aching.
I ain't gonna lie, I'll cut the vocals at around.
I need you to come closer, cause my heart
like 2 dB, but then add them in later type stuff.
Cause my heart done started aching.
And definitely lower the mid ranges, like the mid ranges is popping out too much. Y'all can hear that nasal.
Cause my heart done started aching.
Around that 600, around that 500 HZ to 700 HZ. I ain't gonna lie, like I would cut that.
I need you to come closer, cause my heart done started aching.
I would cut that at around 2 dB.
I need you to come closer, cause my heart.
The highs is actually good on this.
Closer, cause my heart done started aching. Them people from your past.
Oh my God, bro, like in some low end saturation. Bro, don't, bro, everybody want to add saturation to the highs. Bro, low end saturation would do this justice. Look.
I need you to come close.
Bro, like, I'm finna just show y'all the difference. Here's my version.
I need you to come closer, cause my heart done started aching. Them people from your past that brought you pain, you can't erase them, you can't escape them.
See what I'm saying? See?
I need you to come closer, cause my.
Oh my, that sounds so crazy for versus this.
I need you to come closer, cause my heart done started aching. Them people from your past that brought you pain, you can't erase them,
Know what I'm saying?
you can't escape them. And when they death, you gotta face it.
And people were talking about the vocal sound thing because it's in mono. No. Lead vocals always stay mono. But in BandLab, I'm not sure.
I need you to come closer, cause
I ain't gonna lie, I think BandLab vocals is automatically set to like stereo. But usually you will want to have your vocals in mono.
I need you to come closer, cause my heart done started to ache.
Now, with this beat, I will add a little bit of saturation to try to push the instruments that's kind of in the back to the front to the front a little bit, while simultaneously compressing this beat just a little bit to tame the levels, get it nice and good for the vocals. Definitely cut some space around 300 to 400 Hz, cut some space around 2 to 3K Hz, cut some space at around 10 Hz, cause that's where the vocals sit, right here. So like he do, I ain't gonna lie, BandLab vocals tend to have a lot of background noise. Background noise is good because as y'all can see, it blends right in. So as long as it ain't crazy, then you good. Here go this.
Cause my heart done started aching. Them people from your past, you can't escape them. And one day death, you gotta face it.
You're like, and I ain't gonna lie, like I will probably stack reverbs on these lead vocals too, because as y'all can hear, like the beat is very atmospheric with its elements. You know what I'm saying? Like the beat ain't dry, so the vocals shouldn't be dry. You know what I'm saying? Don't put your lead vocal in stereo. Never do that shit. Never do that, bro.
Cause my heart done started aching. Them people from your.
I ain't gonna lie, I will stack reverbs. What stacking reverbs is I ain't. Well, look, I got BandLab presets. I got preset packs. I got a melodic preset pack. Bro, like this will go perfect for this. You got 3 lead vocal presets. Look, preset packs right here. You got 3 melodic lead vocal presets, perfect. 2 melodic ADLIB presets and 1 background. And what we got here, we got the leads, this track, the ADLIBs, and the background. Or the background and the ADLIBs. Come on, gang. But I'm telling you, bro, and y'all gotta invest. Yeah, this costs. Bo, you use my preset packs and you use my presets. I guarantee you, Bo, you gonna get more views than you ever did before. But like that's what I'm charging. Blah, 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 blah. I'm finna show you. Who is the go-to? Look, already got it ready. Hey, come on, bro. Like what that say? Within the BandLab community, my knee hurts is frequently highlighted as the top. This nigga is user find all the missing. This dude is a goofy. Come on, man. Come on, bro. $50. You invest $50 for mixing you, bro. If you really want that studio sound like this, I'm finna show y'all, bro. Invest that $80, bro. I'm telling you, this song, bro. Hold on, bro. Like I'm just finna show y'all a little snippet.
I'm in danger. Ooh, I'm in danger. I'm in danger. I'm in danger. They call me with a banger. You look me in my face and they say shit like I'm a stranger. Ain't mean to say that shit, but I'm just letting out my anger. I think that I'm Picasso from this picture that I'm painting. We walked in with that still, don't think that you gon' leave.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Bro, like, you see how I got the ad-lib sitting, bro? Bro, you see how I got the ad-lib sitting, bro? You see how it's cohesive? Bro, like, do y'all see this? Bro, the same thing with the ad-libs. Don't be afraid to play with the ad-libs. Don't be afraid.
They call me with a banger.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, like, hold on. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, like, since, yeah, like, I ain't gonna lie. Like, I would try to keep the cohesive sound because it is a lot going on. So you don't want too many stuff sounding different. So in terms of EQ, you can kind of keep the EQ with the same, kind of put the high shelf up the frequency, put the low shelf down the frequency to kind of make space for the lead vocal.
They call me.
Don't be afraid to go crazy with the reverb. Now, obviously, don't drown it out, bro. But the ad-libs, bro, like, don't be afraid to add delay. But don't be afraid to try stuff out. But I ain't gonna lie, but for this specific track, I kept everything around the same EQ. Cause when you got a lot of stuff like this, like having clean lead vocals, then having a telephone preset here, then having a whole, it's just too much stuff going on, bro, at one time. Like, bro, look, bro, like, this is, what's this second verse?
Keep the drum just like a major. That pain you cause with major. Got me smoking on this ganja.
You see that, bro, like, you see how everything sound cohesive, bro?
Keep the drum just like a major. That pain you cause with major. Got me smoking on this ganja back to back like a Jamaican. I need you to come closer cause my heart done started aching. And people from your
bro, come on, bro. And I got presets $10. The ad-libs presets cost $5. Bro, if you ain't willing to invest, bro, bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro. I'm telling y'all this for a reason, but we just asked Google who is the best. No, we asked who is the go-to. Who is the best mix engineer in the BandLab community? There is no look. I don't know who the fuck nigga talking about $150 for one song. Bro, like, and that's for mixing. Bro, like, I'm charging $80 for mixing and mastering. Who is the best mixing and the engineer in the BandLab community? Come on, gang. I'm first. Recommended for official pilots, BandLab mixes. I'm first. Affordable for mixing $5 a song. Nigga mixing $5 a song for a reason. Come on, bro. Dude, trash. You don't got nothing on me, but I got a whole playlist. 2-hour Spotify playlist of BandLab songs I mix and master, gang. 40 plus songs. Ain't nobody, but I'm the top of this. I'm telling y'all, ain't nobody mess with me. This ball I be in my room all day, grinding this all day, bro. All day, bro. Bro, if you're looking for a specific sound, bro, like if you're trying to upgrade your sound, but you don't got the budget for a $50 mix or $80 mix and master, I'm telling you, bro, the $80 mix and master, bro, it'll make your song sound better than the studio. Sound better than your local studio. I'm telling you, bro. Like, I'm really the best engineer in the world, but I'm just not on the radar yet. You got custom preset, bro. Like, if y'all want a specific sound, hey, bro, y'all invest. I'm telling y'all, shit gonna work. But like, we just asked Google, $5 for this, but like, I low key need to put more. For the song we just had, probably the Sofago or W5 preset is good. And if you don't, and if you ain't looking for a specific sound or if you're on a budget, I know a lot of y'all on a budget, we got $30. We got $30, $29.99, melodic preset pack. We even got drill preset pack. We got everything you need, gang. We got everything you need. I'm the only one doing this, bro. We just asked Google. Many hertz for both of them. Actually, but like, I ain't look this up yet. Who got the best BandLab presets in the BandLab Community 2026. I don't know who the fuck this nigga is. A nigga plain goofy. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Like, Bo. Like, I done had Bo. And these, all these is from BandLab songs I mix and master. Come on, bro. Bro, y'all lock in, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. All it take is one song. I'm telling y'all, bro. I'm gone. That's it.